Hey, how's it going, Richard? My name is Devin. I spoke to you earlier on the phone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for speaking to me. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can just quickly fix to bring in more customers right away. I know you're probably wondering why I'd even make this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there who don't really have the time to learn how to bring in more customers through the internet just because they're spending so much time with their current customers. Only thing really holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back saying, "Hey Devin, can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. I'm just trying to educate and help as many people as I possibly can." Now, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to say that I really like the look of your website. This scrolling gallery right here is really nice. Your logo here is really nice. I like that you have a chat bot. It's a very clean design. It looks like it's a professionally made website, which is really, really nice. Google just doesn't really care about the look of your website. Really, what they care about is the content, all this stuff that you can read right here. And they want you to have about 2,000 words on your homepage. And if I check how many words you have currently 711. Now, your main competitor is Metro ACS over here. And if we see how many words these guys have, they have 1,324. So one of the big reasons they're outranking you is because they have so much content. But if you get yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're going to be able to outrank them really easily. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. But they want to see relevant sites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other like HVAC companies linking to you than if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month. You don't have to use it. There's a bunch of other tools out there that are free that show the same data. I just pay for it because it consolidates everything together. But it said April 2020 is when you guys started getting links, and you just kind of spiked really recently, like this last month. You currently have 17 websites linking to you. If you want to beat Metro, they only have 67 websites linking to them, and you want to kind of follow this path where you slowly creep your way up, so Google looks at it as more natural and organic. You don't want to just like spike up too quickly. So, with that in mind, all you have to do is really blow them out of the water by getting like 80 to 90 links pointing back at you. And what I would do is just copy them. You just go visit these different websites that are linking to them, and you either create an account and put a link on your profile pointing back to your homepage. You could also click the Contact Us button and ask them for a link, and some of them they may have paid for. But if you copy and get the exact same links that they got, if it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you as well. So that's what I recommend you do for backlinks. And if you follow just those 2 tips with the content and the referring domains, that alone is going to be enough to get you to rank organically. You can also show up by paying for ads right here, and the last place you can show up is right here in the Google My Business section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. And a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So you probably know of like Yelp and Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. What I would recommend is figure out what directories Levi and Son is listed in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. Like if they were in 150 directories, you should put yourself in 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. I try to keep it short and straight to the point for you. Just as a quick recap, you want 2,000 words of content on this homepage. You're also going to want to make sure that you have more websites linking to you than Metro. I'd say get like 80 to 90. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Levi and Son. And if you follow these 3 tips and apply them right today, that's how you become number 1 across Google. So what I recommend for you to do is just take this advice, apply it right away, and get yourself ranked up so you can make a lot of money. If you don't want to take the time to do this, you want someone else to do it for you, you can always give me a call. I can check it out for you. If I can help you, I'd be glad to. If I can't, I'll put you in the right direction. But either way, I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.